Welcome to your Chakras healing meditation. Find a comfortable seat or lying down position. Allow your body to settle. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Big open mouth exhale. Feel the prana, the life force energy moving through you. Feel the energy moving from the base of your spine all the way up your chakras to the crown of your head. Keep your awareness on this life force energy as you allow yourself to settle. Repeating the following affirmations, or just listening and allowing the vibration of these affirmations to soak in. I am safe. I am supported. I am allowed to feel the full spectrum of my emotions. I am creative. I am a sensual being. I am powerful. I am courageous. I am worthy. I am enough. I am perfectly imperfect, just as I am. I am worthy of loving and being loved. I am worthy of setting boundaries that support my well-being. I am here to use my voice and take up space. I am worthy of speaking my truth with confidence, clarity, and compassion. I am connected to my intuition. I am connected to my higher self. I am imaginative. I am connected to the divine. I am one with all. I am a divine being capable of creating an authentic and fulfilling life. I am co-creating with the universe in each and every moment. A deep breath in and a cleansing breath out. Namaste.